Hey guys, today I'm teaching you what Revolut X is and if it's the best crypto platform for you in 2025. Revolut X is a new crypto exchange platform built by Revolut, designed for lower fees and faster trading. If you've traded crypto inside the regular Revolut app, you'll know it's simple, but the fees can be high. Revolut X fixes that. It offers real-time market data, over 100 plus tokens, and way lower fees than the regular Revolut app. You can fund your account instantly using your existing Revolut balance. The interface is clean, fast, and great for beginners. But here's what it's not. It's not a full-featured exchange like Binance. It's not decentralized. You don't own the private keys. And it's still rolling out, not available in all regions yet. So it's a solid step up for Revolut users, but not a full replacement for pro-level trading platforms. So, is Revolut X the best crypto platform in 2025? If you're already using Revolut and want faster, cheaper trades, it's a great upgrade. But for full control or advanced features, you want a dedicated crypto exchange. Let me know what platform you're using and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest fintech reviews.